Hello, parents. My name's Coach Hill. I am your son or daughter's either math teacher or social studies teacher. That's the two subjects I am teaching this year for sixth grade. I just wanted to come on and introduce myself a little bit. I did spend the past 3 or so weeks already with your student in virtual learning, so I've got to know them a little bit. Just a couple things that I went over with them before we started the school year and during that first week. I showed them a couple things online that you might possibly want to go to as well to check out. The Google Classroom, they're able to sign in, so they have access to it once they go to their class or their period. They're able to see assignments. At the very beginning of the Google Classroom, when it first started back in early September, there's a couple sites that you have the link to, or they have the link to. One of them is my website. If you go to my website right now, it has my virtual learning hours. I know these are going to kind of go away once we get face-to-face, but the site will be updated once we get face to face and we have a set schedule. But on that website, it does have my email. My email is abraham.hill@fwisd.org. So if you ever have any questions about assignments or anything coming up, you can email me. My email is also on the school's website. There is a welcome back letter from the school. A little bit about me is on there. I am a coach for the football team and the basketball team. Up here in the right hand corner where it says home, if your son or daughter is in my social studies class, they would click on social studies, and there is a syllabus that kind of outlines the school year. Once we get back in session face to face, I am going to pass this out paper wise, where you will sign it and they will sign it. It's like a contract that you've read my procedures and rules and they've read my procedures and rules, and it gives me some of your contact information. So that's for social studies. It goes for the same for math. If I have your son or daughter in math, there's a math syllabus there as well, and same thing. If you will read it and go over it with your student, they know this already since we've been together for a few weeks, so they pretty much understand what's going on. Once we get back to school, we are going to add a little more procedures in the classroom, some more rules and stuff that go on in the classroom since we've just been virtual for this whole time. So that'll be as we get into the classroom. And then I believe that's pretty much it. That's all I kind of wanted to cover was the Google Classroom and my website. They are aware of their Launchpad. Their Launchpad has all their information where they can check grades. That's called Focus. They can go to their Google Classroom. For my two classes, math and social studies, this is the online math book. It's called McGraw-Hill Education. It's a red app. So if they ever lose their blue math book, which hopefully they don't, they can always access their math book online. So that's this red one for math. For social studies, it's the app right next to it. Now theirs might be different, but this one's called MyNG Connect. They know how to log in already. Math and science students do, and they know how to access it. I've told them if they can't access it or they don't know how to log in, they need to email me or come to my office hours to let me know so that I can help them out. And that is pretty much it. I'm excited to start this new year, a new group of sixth graders. Hopefully I can meet some of you soon or email, catch up with some of you soon. And with that said, I will see y'all soon. Thank you. Bye.